Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure you have the notification bell on so you know when your girl is uploading. As you guys can see from the title, today I am doing a Fabfitfun fall box opening. I am so excited for this video. Shout out to Fabfitfun for making me a Fabfitfun partner. I am very thankful for this partnership. Okay, if you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a subscription box that is full with over $200 worth of products. It has beauty products, lifestyle, fitness, fashion, and the best part about it is full-size products. Not many, full size. You can customize many items in the box. They're located in US, UK, and Canada. So enough of this chit chat and let's just jump right into it. Here is the fall box. It's super cute, super colorful. I just love it. Flowers, pink. It just screams me. So this box is normally $49.99, but with my code NIA10, you can get this box for $39.99. And as I mentioned before, it has over $200 worth of items inside. So like, some of these items in this box cost more or the same price as the box. So you might as well just pay for the box so you can get a bunch of items instead of just getting one item. Okay, so first item is a Mason. The brand is Mason Tops, and it says Kid Hydration. Let's open this box. I don't know like what items I was gonna receive, so I'm like definitely opening and finding out at the same time as you guys. It's a mason jar. It's a glass mason jar, and it comes with a top. Put it on. Pop it open. Pop it open. You can take a sip. And you can clip it on to something. This is super cute. Next item is Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Oh, the scent is pumpkin, oregon, apricot, orange, and aloe. Ooh, and aloe is so good for the body, guys. So this is what it looks like. Let's see how this smells. This is actually a really good blend, because usually I don't like the whole pumpkin-y smell, but this is definitely a good blend with all of the items that are, all the ingredients, because nothing is overbearing. This smells, it really does smell really good. Next item is Hip Poultry Case. Includes 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. This is so cute. It's cute for to go, like if you're having a picnic or something, you just grab a salad and go to some place and they forget to give you utensils. This definitely comes in handy. I will be definitely throwing this in my purse and keeping it, like my big purse, not my little purse, and keeping it in there, because sometimes at work when I go to lunch, I don't have utensils. So this is perfect. Next we have, is this a blankie? It feels like Christmas, guys, honestly. Oh, it's a blankie. If you know me, I have an obsession with blankets. Like, we have so many blankets in this house. Ugh. I'm trying to like open it up. Oh, this is super soft. Super soft, and it's like this mauve-y color, mauve-y, and like, what would you consider this, like an ivory? Maybe like the color after ivory, like a little bit a darker ivory. But this is so soft and it's light, so like you'll be warm but not burning hot. It's perfect for fall nights. Next we have, I already know that I'm using this. I already know I'm using this. Hip I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm just gonna include the name, you know. Tranquility Sleep Mist. If you know me, I have a hard time falling to sleep, so I'm definitely going to use this. But it has witch hazel, protects skin and improves softness, lavender oil, promotes calmness, rice water, rich in minerals, antioxidants, and B and E vitamins that help purify and smooth skin. This is what the bottle looks like. It says directions. Before bed, mist around your pillows, see? Pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and smooth the skin. This smells so good. You know what this reminds me of, this smell? It reminds me of when I worked at Urban Outfitters. This smell definitely is giving me like that Urban Outfitters smell. If you shop there or work there, you know what I'm talking about. The Laundress, New York. Crease release. Ah, yes! Classic. Removes wrinkles, and that's on what? It's on period! Come on! Because not every time we got time to be ironing, pulling the ironing board out, opening it up, making sure the iron got water and all of that. We ain't got time for all of that. Sometimes you just need a quick like spray, do like this with the clothes, and hopefully and pray that the wrinkles come out. It says spray items from 6 inches away, safe for all fabrics and furnishings. Yes. Well, what is the scent? Because I hope this is one of those that make the clothes smell good too. Okay, this has a very fresh, soapy smell. Like, I don't know what soap, but it's giving me soapy, like very clean. No, it doesn't have like a fragrance, but it's just very clean. Okay. Did I get jewelry? Jewelry! Jenny Bird. Comes in this cute little bag. I love these little bags because when you travel, you can throw earrings and stuff in here to keep your, oh, if it's a necklace. Yay! It's a cute little necklace. There we go. This cute necklace. It says remove before swimming, bathing, or showering. Yeah, I have a bad habit of kind of showering with my jewelry. Not really good. But this is super cute. Thanks, Jenny Bird. And the last item in my box already. This is literally Christmas. Is a Mia, and my name is Nia, so I'm already in love with this. Handcraft designs. Ooh, I love handcraft designs. This is a foldable cotton basket. This is so cute. I love this. This is the full size of the basket. This is what it looks like inside. It's pretty deep. I love this stuff so much. Make sure you guys definitely check out Fabfitfun. Use my coupon code so you guys can get a discount, Nia10. Go to the website, use Nia10 right now so you can get all of these beautiful items that I received. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Once again, shout out to Fabfitfun for this partnership. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.